Hello, welcome everybody to a Friday, December 4th stream. For gift, it's NFP day, started a little bit late. Markets are typically choppy before NFP comes out, and even with NFP, you don't really want to trade it. It's the second last NFP before Trump gets ousted from the White House. I think there's going to be good numbers. Price of gold probably drop, some shit like that. We'll see. We have it up on my other screen right here. NFP, unemployment rate. Lots of news at 6:30. That's why we started a little bit later today. So might as well chill out, wait for that news to come up, and then trade the reaction. Wait for structure to be formed, really. Because as you can see right here, it's in this tight ass range. What is that, like a 60 pip range? Right, so anything above or below, we might even use buy stop, sell stop. See if that works, This is on the hourly. I might do it based off like the 15-minute or something. So kind of like have a sell stop below this candlestick at 39 and then a buy stop depending where it goes on the upside. Still have 6 minutes. I mean, we got time. We can just chill out. Not too much, really. So kind of like have a sell stop below this candlestick at 39. Just putting this on the website right now and then, waiting. Let's go with 5 minute. You see this range though. This range is nice on gold. Pretty well defined. We're obviously not gonna go for big profits, but we're gonna like try to get the action from the news, and that'll either be like up or down. So we'll see how that goes.
Yeah.
Well,
I mean, it can work.
no, don't start. Don't
It
start.
depends.
Well, it can. Right. Thanks for saying it. It depends on what you're looking to get out of it. You got to look for what it is that really makes you click. But believe that's still a process. It's never an end. It's never a destination.
Yeah, no, that's true. Like, cause like someone would come on and say, "Well, I'll show you it can work 100%."
And by the way, also you're willing to take calculated risks a lot more now. Not because you're too risky. On the contrary, because you're more confident in your ability and in your assessment. And that is growing up. That is getting mature. That is really getting good at something, and it feels so good from so many areas. And the money is actually the I guess the physical manifestation of it in a way. But if you chase that and you're not going to make the progress you need to make to get the money. And that's kind of a lot of people got it wrong.
Like Smart Bedi says, first you get the money, then you get the power, and then you get the girl.
Yeah, I pass on the power. It's fine. I want to live. I want to be sure.
All right, we got around 3 minutes left here for
All
Nifty.
right, here we go.
It's gonna be interesting to see if we're gonna have a fireworks today or not. Normally when I'm trading the news, what I normally like to do is I like to have a buy stop a couple of pips above the 30-minute candle and a sell stop a couple of pips below the 30-minute candle. Because the reason why is because if there's going to be a really big move, it's going to respect the previous candle's high or a low if it's going to break the low or the high. right? So if the next candle breaks the high, then there's a very high probability for it to continue moving for at least, let's say, like 30, 40, 50 pips, because it's gold, because it's very volatile and has a lot of volume. So that's something I like to do when I'm trading. But my broker, they went away from Canada, so I'm not trading for the month of December. They got booted out of Canada because they were trying to advertise here in Canada to clients for crypto exchanges. And the regularity authority here said, well, it's pretty risky, guys. You can't do that. And they didn't listen. And then they're like, well, you can't operate in Canada anymore.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's the reason.
yeah. Like regulation is getting pretty tight up here. They ran away IC markets. They ran away Vantage FX now. So slowly, man, I don't know what's going on. They're really clamping
Yeah, well,
down these
but they
brokerages.
still allow the options kind of stuff. This is what I don't get. It's
Oh
just
yeah.
like people are going over there, which is even more riskier and stupid, more stupid to do in my opinion.
Does
But
option
tell me,
option has like lots of leverage? Th-
that's the
th-
thing. It allows a lot more leverage, especially for the retail crowd still, and and you can lose a lot more money more quickly without like seeing P&L in front of your eyes too much. That's kind of the crazy thing.
All right, only 30 seconds left. So what we're gonna do is have a buy stop and a sell stop.
Equities to trade.
So we're gonna have.
People
Wait, how much
understand
time
about
left?
data trades, they just see that you could turn 1,000 into 10,000 in a matter of hours or whatever. But you have theta decays and weekly options
And
that
sell
decay even
stop at
your capital so fast
1839.
that it doesn't move
Yeah.
Putting it
in the
in
right
quickly.
direction.
But again, here it's a simple fix.
Oh,
Something
fuck.
for something. Nothing exists in a vacuum. If you understand these things and you're looking for that as you
2
analyze stuff,
seconds.
you're just not just taking it as the promised land. But if
Oh,
you're
is the buy
analyzing,
stop
you
gonna get
know
hit? Okay,
there's
buy
a
stop
counterbalance. There's
executed.
good. There's a bad also. And then you've got to define your risk whether you want to take it or not. And then you
At
buy.
1844.
So here we
Oh,
go.
it's popping.
See if it gets to 1848.
TJ is melting right now. The gold is pushing hard.
Where's 1844? So I got hit right here, right above the previous candle high. Move the stop below there. And we're having a take
Wow,
profit.
terrible numbers. 245
1848.
non-farm payroll.
Hasn't
Expected
gone there
was
yet.
469 and actual only 245.
Probably got to stall to the dollar even more.
So it was actually
By the way,
worse,
it's
but
funny,
unemployment rate was better.
like why is the bad NFP bad for the US dollar? Because they're looking to need to spend more in this whole.
See if it gets hit. Actually, I'm gonna go 49 or 48.50. There we go. So now my stop loss is gonna be at 1840 below the candlestick. And if I can get to that text box. Actually, let's keep it at 1848. It didn't hit yet. I mean, I think the volatility pushed it up. I didn't get out of it yet. So yeah, it didn't even hit 1848 on my black bull either. But this whole consolidation, it kind of pierced through. So we'll see. Oh, there it goes. There we go. Trade is done. See if it goes down more. I just want to see. Maybe I should go out for 20, 30 pips. I'm really have to adjust my new strategy. Last stop was good, but like, boom. Shit. Okay, there we go. There we go. Take a picture of that. Gotta post that. Send that to myself. It is what it is. But you know what? We still have this range, so if any candlestick finishes above or below, we're still good. We can get another trade on it. So it is what it is. We just want to see a candlestick finish above or below, really. It's form the tight range, and you know, check out the daily. Actually, it's kind of slowing down, but I don't think there's gonna be a big move today. I honestly think it's gonna just chill. You already had the volatility spike upwards and downwards, so it is what it is. We're gonna watch it. Yo, what up, throwbacks? Sorry, I just got back. Europe, happy payday for me. How's the market looking this week? Market was pretty good. Pretty good for sure. Today was the first loss this week. So it's all good. It happens, right? I mean, there's always gonna be another trade. I'll probably wait for market open to put in a trade. I'm Bitcoin. Let's check out Bitcoin, homie. Bitcoin 18975. Pull up a chart. Hey, USD. Coinbase. Man, I feel like the bull run's been there, and depending how you're gonna have to look over the weekend for Bitcoin. Really, I feel like any break. Because I feel like the uptrend's been kind of like stalled or broken, right? Like you've had this uptrend go up here, it broke right here. So anything above this area, I'd buy. But you know, you could also see Bitcoin just do one of its fucking like crazy ass sell-offs and get down to like over here on this level and potentially go further down. But if it does, that's where you buy, right? That's where you buy and hodl, in my opinion. As of right now, it does not look like the cleanest buy to me. I'll keep it on the watch list actually. It's just, make it cool. But yeah, I think you just gotta watch it, man. You looking to long it or short it on Bitcoin? I feel like it's just chilling today, so yeah, it is just consolidation. I feel like most markets in consolidation today. It's been like kind of been a good week for the most part, right? And it's been trending most of the week, so I feel like today might just be kind of exhaustion, chill out, kind of thing. You want to long it? Yeah, I agree. It is going to be a long-term long, but where you can get those buys, it's going to be interesting. I honestly feel like you probably have to watch it over the weekend. Maybe during my gold analysis stream, come on Sunday before football starts, and then do it. Oh, the 1 week chart. Yeah, depends how this weekly candle finishes too, right? Like if this weekly candle goes red, be careful. But let's say it does start pumping and buying, fuck, you just go on and buy that, right? But yeah, I don't personally. I don't like the buys today. I like the buys here. Just get on mini position. I think me and my friends were talking about it in a group chat. But as of right now, it's kind of hit that roadblock. The weekly, it is up here too. We'll see how that turns out. Really, I mean, you just gotta wait and see. What's your plans this weekend, man? Just chill out, enjoy the weekend. Do you work on weekends or is it just Monday, Friday for you? Nice, that's sick. Best to be off weekends. But in reality, like over the past few months, I've been using weekends to practice trading. You guys slow today? Yeah, I mean it's Friday, man. It happens. Were you pretty busy this week? You weren't on as often this week. A lot of folks quit and got promotions. Damn, why they quit? I feel like if you have a job right now, you just, just stick with your job. Need more money for their family. Oh yeah, makes sense. Makes sense. So wait, like every those people that quit, they got like promotions elsewhere or within. Yeah, you don't have kids, so you're Gucci. Honestly, man, kids are expensive. I was an expensive ass kid, so I know kids in general are expensive. You're right about that. They got promotions elsewhere, or they got like promotions within Home Depot. Whoa, no arrow. There we go. Honestly, if this 30-minute finishes like this, I might enter on short. Fog it. Yeah, you have to make some extra cash this week. Nice. You gonna go on that thing, the Tron Casino? I want to try that Tron Casino. It seems fun. Truly does seem fun though. Not gonna lie. Run up. So yo, honestly, I've been reading a book about that. Slow and steady. That's the way to do it. Anytime you try to go for like those big ass gains where you double your account or some shit like that, it's not really sustainable long term. But if you go slow and steady consistently, this is actually more sustainable because then you build up that routine and scheduling to actually trade like that, right? And when you can trade like that, I feel like it's better mentally and you can actually get used to it. You build up your own strategy, etc. There's a lot more benefits to actually going slow and steady compared to anything else, in my opinion, anyways. Well, actually, the book opinion too, but it made more sense because there's been times I've like fucking run up my account so hard, but is it sustainable? Not necessarily, you know. It's not like I could go double or triple my account every time. That'd be kind of fucked up. Yeah, don't worry. That anxious hits all of us, man. Even hits me. I get anxious. I want to get that fat trade in and fat easy profit in, but you know, happens. It happens. Gambling rush has been kicking, so I gotta keep maintaining. I agree. Nah, if your gambling rush is kicking in, you gotta kind of control the gambling rush. It's not really like maintaining greed or anything. It's kind of just, kind of having that psychological mindset where you can actually control everything, control the losses and everything else. Like for me on this trade, I got a loss, but it was controlled. Now I'm chilling, waiting for structure to form, waiting for it to like give a better kind of play, if you want to play that way. The thing with trading, and I think gambling too, even in this book I was reading, it was talking about blackjack, although it's different in a way. How you should wait until the odds are in your favor before you actually attack. Like I'm gonna wait until the odds are in my favor for this trade before I actually enter on it. I'm thinking about going to the short side. I was bearish candlestick finishing. Hourly, it's turning red. They pierce through the bottom. 15 minute, still red too. So we'll see how it goes. The next 15 minutes starts going down a little bit. Fuck, might as well, right? Try it out. In all honesty, based off the 30-minute and the hourly, it does look like a short. It's just kind of pierced through, finished below that area here. You're probably gonna get a test of like 1832. So if it closes in 1 minute like this, that's perfect. See, this is where my gambling rush used to kick in, and now just like punch in so much shit right now. But I've learned to just, wait for it. Have it. Now I'm entering right now. Here, let me put it in. So I got in at around 1838, 30. Small position. Just for the fact it finished red below, I feel like this is going to be a liquidity wick to push down to like 1832. I have a small position, but I feel like it's more sensible. I got room to average down too. You know what? 1839, 1838, 50. Not yet. But I think I will average down. If it hits like 1840, I'll probably average down. Get that money. Thanks, man. I'm trying on this trade. Hopefully, I think everybody has those gambling rushes, if you know what I'm talking about. When do your gambling rushes kick in? Let's talk about that. Like, when do they actually kick in? Like, does it come in when you're looking at the charts or when you're on Tron Casino or like, just randomly? Damn, that pumped up fat. You know what? I'm taking a position at 41 too. So now my average was 50. About 80. Let's go 90. That's my average price right here. Damn, that pumped up quick. This is why trading on F. Oh, there goes. Stop loss has been hit. RIP. So you know what? I'm gonna move my stop loss. Let's move it above this wick here. See what happens. 39. Yeah, make it 45. There we go. Should have got another position up here, to be honest, but it is what it is. Just based off the hour, I still feel like it's bearish. You get this wick up, and I do think you don't have a lower wick yet, so I do think it's going to go down. That's why I kind of moved my stop loss on my black bull before I'm moving it here on trading view. I'm like, that's just a wick. You have this whole zone region right here grabbing orders. So with that, I do feel like you're going to reverse and go down. I'm going to stop to 1844 now. Keep it there for the hard stop just in case, anything could happen. Now we just gotta wait for this to flip, and once it flips, I feel like the 40 pips is gonna happen. So my price is around like 39.90 average for break even. So it's gonna be around 35. I'll take profits. Let me move it here. I just made it 5. There we go. If it works out great. If it doesn't, it is what it is. So early on, I was talking about waiting for structure to form and then executing. I think that's exactly what happened here. Wait for structure to form. It was bearish. Got the volatility spike, and now hopefully it goes our way. Ideally, that would be the play. We'll see though. Market obviously does whatever the fuck the market wants to do. You can see its volatility every time it pumps up and then down. No real direction yet, but it'll come. It'll definitely come. I'm gonna get one more average up. We'll see. See how the structure forms here before making a decision. Okay, so I got one more average up at 42.30. It's the last one. Now my average price is around 40.70. I say about 40.75. Get the 40 pip stop. I'm gonna go 44.50 for the 40 pip stop. Cause I'm around 40.75 for my average. See if it turns out good. If it does or if it doesn't. Might be my last trade for the day. Damn, it's pumping. No more entries though. That's it for the entries. You know, now I think about it, NFP days are actually kind of not really profitable for me. The news doesn't really form true structure or direction. And that's basically my trading style, is that structure and direction. But with news, you just get choppiness and uncertainty. And yeah, that kind of good stuff. We'll see though. It's not over yet, but it's looking that way. One thing I should have done is I should have waited longer for the short. Should have waited for more. Wait for a red candlestick centering on a green. Maybe wait for that red momentum. I think that would have been kind of a little bit easier to trade that way. But for next time, obviously. Damn, stop loss has been hit. That was a fat one. Happens, it happens. 2 trades, 2 L's. Probably call it for the day. So. Damn, that's pumping up now. NFP days, man. I'm telling you, it's a crazy ass day. I think this might have a sell off. We'll see. I'm gonna go dual screen for now, and then I'll check it after. But Nasdaq's here. It's been choppy, but might be a good move today. There was bad NFP news, so that might drive it down. I think we'll wait for market open, market structure, and then put one more trade in. I think I'm gonna wait for Nasdaq to form structure, yeah. And then when Nasdaq forms structure, I'll probably enter. Still there, throwbacks? Yeah, Nasdaq. I think I'm gonna just wait. I feel like it's gonna have a down move, but still have our zones. You know, we got this bottom one here, and we got this top one here now. So basically, anything above or below. See how it wicks in. Like things running slow. What price is that? 42. I'll try a third short, might as well. Third time's a charm, eh? See if that works out. 42 to 38. And then hold a runner. Stop above the wick. And we're good right there. So I got my third short in. Nice. See how that turns out. Think I'm gonna average down in a bit here. So now, yeah, let's do this. 43 is my average, a little bit above 43. Stop loss is still above here. Take profit. We'll see how it reacts. There's still no lower wick. Oh wow, that thing's dropping. Shit, should have been on that. Why is it on that? It's on the 15 minute. I like to look at the 15 minute for like the first hour. So we'll keep it at the 15 minute. Look at that.
Now buying a new Jeep vehicle is easier than ever. Introducing Jeep Click and Drive, where you can shop, buy, and own, all from the comfort of home. Visit our website to learn more.
Turn that off for now. There we go. Honestly, just waiting for this to make a move. And we see NASDAQ with that huge liquidity grab too. Quite interesting, to be honest. I'm still waiting. Damn, just waiting now. Damn, so close to stop loss again. You know what? I'm gonna pull with Chad. 4650. Entered. I don't know. I think it's about there. 4650. 42, 44. So it's a little bit above 44 for the entry. Let's see how that goes. NFP days, I'm telling you, man. I can't do NFP days anymore. I think I'm gonna keep that in mind going forward. NFP and Fed. Fuck them both. I'm no insider. I don't know no news. I wish I did, but it is what it is. I mean, the market gives you all the information you really need anyways, right? So can't be complaining too hard. Everything's out there. It's just about the certain person, in this case myself, to execute on it. waiting for this position to go down. Just waiting. As for Nasdaq, it had that huge liquidity grab again, and it's pushing up. If I wasn't so biased towards the short side, that would help that one. Okay, right? I think Nasdaq. It seems like both are gonna be in a range today. We'll see how they go. It's probably gonna be my last trade for gold though. Nasdaq was nice on that rip. Fuck. After it closed, was that wick 80? Yeah, you get a good 10, 20 pips on that. I like how it moves like that too. It's pretty ideal. Some nice pump up on Nasdaq. That's 20 pips from the wick over here. That's pretty nice.
gun. As soon as he started charging down them steps at me with that chainsaw, I shot his ass. His mind was gone. He didn't realize that he had been shot, so he's chasing me around the parking lot. And as we're going around the parking lot, I'm trying to get a clear shot at him. And then I think by that time he realized that he was hit, so he took off running. Batman, 41-year-old Daniel Stewart left the complex after the incident. The woman says he got back when police were there, and that's when they arrested him. In an interview with LPD, Stewart claimed that black people had been stealing from him and that, quote, she was guilty because she was black. My neighbors knew he was crazy as bad shit, too, because they said that all day in his apartment he's been revving up that chainsaw talking about people stealing from him. Newbuck says she's contacted her landlord, but they haven't said if he will be allowed to return. She says it's no longer just a safety issue for her and her 5-year-old son, but for the whole complex. I guess when he saw me, he figured I was a soft target. Oh, no, 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 not today. I pulled my gun and put that hot lead up him and put some on his mind that day. He ain't gonna be trying to live out his Leatherface Texas Chainsaw Massacre fantasies over here. Remains cited and launched in the Lancaster County Jail tonight with terroristic charges as a
That is fucked up. That was funny. I don't know if anyone listened to that. I was on Instagram. That shit was so fucking funny. Only in the States that happens. If anyone was listening to that, that's only in the States that happens. All that is like the definition of America right there. That's funny. Some dude with a chainsaw chasing around a black lady who has a gun. Shot this guy too. That was funny. Man, I gotta listen to that video again. That shit was so funny. Biden posted a video about Georgia Senate.
Saturday afternoon, 25-year-old woman Fox was being dropped off by her sister. That's when she first noticed a man standing in this window on the second floor. I'm going up the steps to my apartment, and then I see this dude with a chainsaw. I'm like, who the hell do you think he is? Leatherface? Then he looks at me and he says, "What's up?" I'm like,
Oh shit! Sorry, throwbacks. When the trade? No, I lost that second trade. I'm in a third trade now, and then that's it for the day. After this third trade, you got a little busy. Yeah, fair enough. It's all good. It's a slow Friday for trading, anyways. No worries. By the way, are you voting in the Georgia Senate election next month, January? Also, I was watching this video. It's fucking hilarious. The fuck is that? Can't believe that's real. What the hell? That's fucking funny. You know what? I'm gonna get out of this trade in a bit. Should I do it? Oh, that's this 4-hour look. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna get out of my position and put stops at break even. Left the runner going. There we go. That's a good trade. I'll just leave it like that. Probably gonna watch that Snoop Dogg video one more time and watch how this gold plays out. Really. Whoops. My zoom at. Let me watch that again. Actually, last time.
Hey, buddy.
How you doing?
Good. Yourself?
Good, man. Good. NFP day. NFP's crazy.
Yeah. How was it?
My buy stop got hit, got stopped out, and then I tried another short, and then I got stopped out on that, and now I'm in my third short, and that's it.
Your
My-
third. This shorts should be. Yeah.
I mean, we'll
It
see. I feel like
looks-
it's just gonna range today, man. There's like no direction. Like this box right here is just like that's it. Nothing else. I got out profits
Yeah.
on the third one though, so I mean, like it's still a loss for the day, but it's all good. It's fucking just chilling.
You controlled your risk. That's all that matters.
Hey man,
Yeah, I was looking at GL. I should have went in more, but I was down $1 in GLD, and we were talking about this yesterday. But I only added 10 shares. I should have at least went half more, or full position. Another 30 shares at the top there. But
They posted that GLD thing on the YouTube video, so I like checked
Yeah.
it out. And he's like, this is a risk range, and he believes it's gonna go down. And like, if it goes up to like 1860, he has enough capital to like put in more. It doesn't matter for him at that point. I guess like
Oh,
he's
man.
gonna have his stop obviously, but like yeah, he said if gold goes up there, he's gonna add more. So he probably has his like position sizing kind of what's that word? Fucking correlated to that risk range and whatever he has going on there, because he says that that's a top for him right there, but around like 1860.
Well, for him, gold, he can put 12% of
yeah,
his
so
portfolio in it, whether long or short. So if it's $1 million, it's 120 grand short.
yeah, so he probably has that split up in like a few entries or something.
I think what he was telling me is like, or in the show, he said,
Did you watch the show this morning?
no, I didn't. I just fixing stuff, you know. It's crazy, man. Honestly, like this shit's been bailing me out. Last 2 days haven't been like, or last 2 days haven't been like crazy good with trading.
Yeah.
But like,
Throwback
yeah,
says
well,
what's up, by the way. He's on today.
Hey, throwbacks, how you doing?
But
Lakers.
Lakers. So last couple days have bailed the portfolio bailed you out?
Honestly, yeah. This is
That's good.
basically 2 losing days, I would say.
For
Yeah,
day trading?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was choppy yesterday. I was looking at this bullshit. that
Yeah, it was
happened
choppy
yesterday.
till the last hour, so it was just whack. But it is what it is.
It's-
I got caught in the choppiness. I'll be honest with you.
Yeah, I could see that. That
The
is
best
just
was the
disgusting.
first 2 hours, and then the rest was kind of awful until the last 30 minutes.
Yeah.
But I already stopped. But yeah, it's crazy.
Today it had a nice liquidity grab push up. I didn't get onto it though, but I was like, damn, that would have been it. The same thing that we always
That
talk
would've
about
been
every
it.
day.
Yeah. So
Did you get onto that, or you just adjusting?
no, I wasn't. I'm just really.
Adjusting it.
I was just basically taking profits on oil and some of my ETFs, like Korea, man, up like how much? It's insane.
Yeah, Korea's been going up
up
fast.
7%
Yeah.
total.
Yeah,
And
it's
I've been
been
kind
going
of
fast.
scaling out little by little, right? Like 25 basis points, or I wouldn't say 25 basis points. I would probably say like 10, 20% of the position. Yeah, same as TNA, TZA.
But yeah, no, I saw
TNA.
Korea too. Korea's on a tear at the moment.
Yeah, same as Poland, Philippines, Thailand. All these are like on a tear. And let me guess, yeah, the US dollar's down.
Yeah.
Go figure.
Good old US dollar.
Yeah, I actually might lessen on corn though. Looking just at the charts, I'm not liking it. I might reduce half. You know what? I will reduce half.
Throwback says Nets are better than Lakers. Oh, and thanks Throwbacks for the congrats.
Nets are better than Lakers.
Yeah.
Well, if I remember correctly, one of those guys needed LeBron to win a championship.
Yep. And the other needed a full
Golden State,
Yeah,
and they
full
played against LeBron.
You trying to short Nasdaq on Sunday market? No, he's not trying to short Nasdaq on Sunday market open. No one really trades.
No
Sunday
one is,
market
man.
open.
We take your profits, That's about it.
Also, never
day
short.
trade if opportunity showed itself. Like not on Sunday. This will be on Monday.
Yeah,
If
don't
it showed
trade on
itself, yeah.
Sunday, man. Unless there's like big news Sundays, like that's not a good day to trade.
I probably even wouldn't, man.
Yeah,
Because
no.
Sunday news is basically Europe and
Unless there's
Actually,
like a
no, I'd be
bombing or some shit. Last time, like a few times when there was like some big ass news, like bombings or some other crazy shit that happens, and like Sunday.
when the
does
U.S.
really-
embassy got bombed. I didn't even know if
Yeah.
it affected the markets that much. I just knew gold shot up and oil did.
Yeah. I mean, like for those commodities, it's good,
Yeah.
but like, yeah, that's about it.
No, well, you're not shorting the markets. Not even with It's,
Well, not on
it's too much.
Sunday, for sure. Not on Sundays.
It's too much right now. Corn is being ridiculous. I think the rate of change is definitely slowed.
Well, I'm gonna get out of this. Fuck it, I'm done almost. Alright, I'm out.
Yeah, I'm done with corn too. I mean, I can't be done with this. My girl actually has a really good price, way better than mine. So I'm just feeling.
How's her portfolio's been like tearing it up or what?
It's been doing decent.
That's good.
Sometimes I'm over leveraged. That means I have some benefit in that. Sometimes it's not.
No.
Like me trying to day trade the last 2 days, but not her account, my own account.
No, only yours.
Yeah, but it is what it is. As long as most things here are green, like whatever, man. Just waiting, honestly.
Did you go for the run or what?
Yeah, I went for the run yesterday. It was nice, but my legs are so sore, man. So today, because we might We might go hiking tomorrow, so I need to stretch out
Separate
today. I need to
cars?
stretch tomorrow. Pardon me?
Same car.
I don't know. That's I think I don't know if there's
Dude, there was
rules about
so
the
many cases yesterday. It was fucking nuts.
1800. Yeah.
Most ever, but like I don't even know if Ontario had more than us. Sure. They did. But yeah, no, where are you
Well,
guys going hiking?
I have no idea. She's playing that aspect. I'm just the driver, honestly.
Yeah, fair enough. Just go wherever. Eat something good too, hopefully.
Probably not, man.
Oh yeah. True.
We
Yeah,
can't
never mind.
go to the restaurant.
Yeah.
And also, we heard from a couple. Well, my parents heard anyways that police actually went into like some of the restaurants in Chinatown and ID'd people to see if they actually came from the same household.
No way. When did your parents hear that?
Yesterday.
Yesterday?
Yeah.
And they got ticketed.
No, they didn't get ticketed. They just said that they heard from some friends and stuff.
No, yeah, I
like-
mean, like, did the friends tell them that, like, some...
Yeah, those guys got ticketed $1,000.
God damn.
Yeah.
That's so fucking police state, man.
Well, I mean,
Well, can't you
It's-
say, like, if let's say you and your girl went out, can't you say that?
yeah, I
To
mean, me
live
and my girl,
alone?
but if it's like 4 old dudes and stuff all having different addresses, I doubt you can say anything.
Yeah, 100% not. But you just say, like, you two live alone or something, or like you live alone and
He
she
lives
lives with
alone.
her parents, right? That would be fine
Yeah.
too, because you could see up to 2 people. Something, but
Yeah, you could.
yeah, you're right. Now with like 4 old dudes from like separate households.
Yeah, it's definitely
That's
not.
just
It's just like, yeah, we all live alone. I was like, what's that ring you have on your finger there?
Yeah. Well, it's fun thing. It's my girl's birthday next week, so we gotta go out anyways. But I live alone.
You might as well just delete this one.
No, it's all good. I live alone.
You just live with Simba, man.
Yeah, me and the dog.
Don't
The
lie,
dog
you live
don't
with Simba,
count.
bro.
Throwback says, yeah, yo, Rockets got decently better. They got some good signings. No, not gonna be a
Oh,
cakewalk. No, it's a cakewalk. I think LeBron three-peats and cements his legacy. I'm calling it now. I think I've called it
I hope
after
so,
his
too.
chip. No,
I
I
don't
think
know,
he does.
I think Rockets just, I mean, they lost everything that was good for them, like from the executive team. I mean, players is one thing, but the executive team, I think, yeah. There's a reason why he probably wanted to go to Philly.
Well, dude, I don't know.
Weird.
Harden never really shows up in playoffs. Westbrook's better than John Wall. Robert Covington is probably like one of the best 3-and-D guys out there. Now you guys
And
got
they traded him.
Yeah, they traded him for like nothing. I mean, you got DeMarcus Cousins and John Wall, who are both very injury prone.
Wait, DeMarcus Cousins signed with the Wizards?
Rockets.
Oh, Rockets, sorry.
Yeah, and then they got Christian Wood, who's like a good young dude, but like, damn, man.
Man,
I don't think
it's
so.
tough, man.
I don't think
tough.
Harden gets traded either. Like you said, he won't. I don't think he does unless they have like a king's ransom. But like Brooklyn doesn't want to pay that much for him.
Yeah, no, I don't think so either. I think I don't know. I think well, Golden State is not gonna do well anymore since they lost Clay.
Yep, agreed.
Who else? What other West teams?
Denver, but they lost Jeremy Grant.
Grant.
Was like sick for them, so I don't know how it's gonna be. He's defending 3-and-D type of team.
Yeah.
I mean they're still young. Michael Porter Jr. is gonna develop. Who else? Clippers. I don't like Paul George no more, man. This guy's deflecting the blame too much.
Is he? What is he saying?
So first on Doc Rivers. Doc Rivers is a good coach. right? He was like saying that they weren't making enough adjustments or anything, or they weren't changing anything. But at the same time, can you really blame Doc Rivers if you shoot threes off the side of the backboard? Like, fuck. Like, you were shooting better threes outside than Paul George was shooting in the playoffs.
Damn.
But it's true though. I'm not. And then he was deflecting blame on. That's why Montrezl Harrell left, because he said that the passes Paul George was throwing like Montrezl Harrell were like out of his reach. And instead of saying he like threw a bad pass, my bad, he's like, he was blaming Montrez for not being in the better position when he was open. I'm like, damn, bro. Damn.
Yeah, people that don't take responsibilities usually.
Well, it's
usually
like
is
trading too,
detrimental.
man. It's like shit. The market gives you opportunities, but you're gonna blame the market for like not going your way, or you're gonna blame yourself for like not analyzing it or doing a better job, right? So,
I thought I would blame the rim
the rim, yeah.
for the shots not going in.
Yeah,
It's the
but can you
rim's
blame
fault.
the rim when you're not hitting the rim? Like, fuck. I don't know,
Then I
strong
blame the
feelings.
back. Then it's the backboard.
Then it's a backboard.
The shape of the backboard is incorrect.
Wow. But
See,
nah, I didn't like
see
that.
what I did there? The list can go on for forever,
The
even though it
excuses
makes no
list.
fucking bloody sense.
Yeah, the list of excuses, right?
Yeah.
That's what Paul George got, man. Nah, I got strong feelings towards it because I think he did Doc wrong in that situation.
Well, whatever, man. You know what? I'm happy. You know, when there's a crisis, there's an opportunity. Obviously, the Lakers took advantage of that.
Oh yeah, they did, 100%.
You know what would be sick of who we if we got Lou Williams. I honestly, when he was on the Lakers, he was the only consistent person there.
He's always consistent though, and he didn't like the preferential treatment. Him and Beverly and Montrez didn't like the preferential treatment that Y and PG got.
So what was the
They basically came in,
differential?
said they're the superstars, and they could do whatever the fuck they want to do. That's basically it. But in like short terms, they came in and they were like, they can do what they want when they want with like no repercussions, and like management adhered to those standards. But that ain't gonna sit well with like dogs like Trez, Beverly, and fucking Lou Williams who play every night, right?
Yeah, well, that makes sense.
But yeah, NBA is a soap opera, according to. I'm not denying that. It's kind of true.
Oh man, every sport is a soap opera. It's more of a soap opera because of the media and stuff, because they need something to write.
It's
too.
true, yeah.
And you get these guys that are paid millions and millions and millions of dollars. You know what is funny? I was like on like Instagram and everyone's just talking about Larson Pippen and was it Alex
so
Beasley?
Yeah. Oh man, dude,
I feel bad for Pippen and their kid.
Scotty, yeah, dude, this Larsa Pippen's just a straight like groupie. I swear.
Wasn't she starting shit with Kim Kardashian's too?
I don't know. She's just around like all these NBA players. I'm like, damn, man. Damn. Poor Scotty.
The funniest video was like, yo, like Larson Pippen can be Malik's mom. Is like
yo,
around the same age. I'm like, yeah, that's kind of true.
It is 100% true. But I saw that too.
Yeah. I believe. Okay, let's do it. So it's almost 8:30. 20-minute close bearish a little bit, but volume's not that bad. 15. Yeah, this 10 closes bearish again. I think it's gonna go to the bottom of the range.
Nasdaq.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's in this. It's in this range right now. It's probably just gonna be in there for the rest of the day. Maybe the last hour we'll have the push again.
Yeah. It should. I'm thinking. I guess if I was gonna short on the 10-minute, it would have been on this candlestick at the top. How much risk would that be? 12 pips on the top there, so that's about 25 cents, 30 cents on Nasdaq. 10-minute would have been here. Yeah, it would have been. Yeah, 32 cents. 32 cents. And you have a nice little dollar roll. I mean, yeah, nice move, clean up. So if I was shorting, I would expect to move down. That's clean as well.
Yeah, no, I see that.
You know what I mean?
Kind of have
Because
that
that's what
move
it did
up.
yesterday too. There's that nice clean up move up that you longed, right?
Yeah, and then
Yeah, and then went back down. And you
yeah,
walked off. Yeah,
got out
like
there, went all
50.
the way down after.
Yeah.
Seems
And
like it's
yeah,
happening like that right now.
yeah, but I obviously missed the entry point. But it's all good. Oversold.
Man, I don't know how you do it after like 9, 10 o'clock when it slows down and you're still on it. I would just like, I mean, I've tried it and I've lost patience and I've kind of.
No, I mean I don't really trade during that time, but like when
Yeah.
11 starts, that's when the market opens, and like sometimes there are moves, but you know.
That's
But
true.
then I just look at like I adjust kind of the portfolio. So I kind of have like now I think morning 7:38 adjust the portfolios to see how I buy some stuff if it's cheap, short some stuff if it's like I mean sell some stuff if it's yeah.
Yeah, I know that makes sense.
So
Kind of
take
adjust
profits
it.
and add to positions, and then by 8 o'clock, just focus again back on like the cues, and then
Yeah.
after that, freaking yeah, 10 maybe reposition, then kind of get on with my day.
Yeah, no, that's fair enough. And then do whatever comes. Or if you got the screen open, maybe you'll see an opportunity.
Yeah, exactly. But yeah, and then there's so much material to get through.
For those guys.
Yeah, for those guys, like that in itself, like I mean, I'm not talking shit. Like they put a lot of good work and a lot of content out there. But you know, you also have to like, go through that content, and you also have to do your own analysis, and you have to break it down what you agree with, what the charts say too.
Yeah.
Because like, there's a couple of times where I just like trusted them. Like I remember shorting work and shorting Nicola, but
Yeah.
like I had that gut feeling. Was like, yo man, like the charts are saying it's gonna rip out. You know what I mean? Which it did, but obviously their analysis they come through afterwards, and it did drop after. Like Nicola was such a good drop. Like it pumped up to $40, and then and then it gapped down to $28, which would have been like your first indication, right? But then 2 days after it gapped down, GM came up with their announcement that they're canceling their partnership with Nicola.
Yeah, I feel like well, you gotta do your own due diligence when you're trading their picks, right? You gotta like see if you actually do like it or if it's suitable for your own trading, kind of, or if you like, because you said that one, I forget the work. Was it work?
Yeah, the work. I mean,
Yeah,
I short.
you
No,
said
wait, I
that.
didn't short it. Sorry, I didn't short work. I just short work and stuff. Like they wanted to short. I was like, nah, it doesn't look like I want to short that. You know what I mean? So,
Yeah, so that's the thing. You don't
Nicola was
short
the
it.
one I got. But that was in the beginning, so I just want to see how and they're like, they boast about having and it's all time stamped and stuff like that, 80% efficiency.
Mm-hmm.
So just like, okay, well.
Well, yeah, you're not gonna be 100% right? So I even said this. Well, this is my first loss this week, but it's never gonna be 100%. I mean, it could be.
Yeah.
You could be like as close to 100% as you get, but
Probably I think ideal is 99%.
Yeah. Well, even with their like the video I was watching, they're like, yeah, we already know we're not gonna be 100% right, but as long as our fucking winners are more,
Yeah.
and as long as we have a higher success rate, then that's all that matters. Which is true.
Yeah.
Is what is. I would throwback say my mental is still distraught from last market losses a couple weeks ago. You ready? Like some mental books like Trading Career times 48 Laws of Power. That's my mental is distraught. Yeah, the thing with the mental being distraught, I think you need to have short-term memory. Short-term memory is like just forget about it. Fuck it. Market ain't going anywhere. Only your profits can go places.
What I like though is that you're taking a break, which a lot of people don't. You
Yeah.
kind of try to push through, and that creates a whole set of more problems, I would say. So good on you for taking a break, getting your mind right. You know, something I maybe would suggest is working out, going for runs.
It's basically what I did too, man. I just took a break like October-ish, and then started this routine again. Been on every day, and it's been good, right? So you're right.
Yeah.
Taking breaks is good. You've took breaks. Everyone takes breaks. Ted's taking a break. So
Ted's breaks though, so he can just spend his money and live it.
yeah, before freedoms are taken away.
He's just loving life. Well, I mean, I guess since yeah, I think Ontario is definitely go back to like for us. We were too late. Look, we're in a lockdown and we're still pumping out 1,800 numbers.
We're not even in a lockdown though, man. Let's be honest. This is just
yeah,
like
we're not in a lockdown.
it's not even like you can still
Not
go
even
out
close.
and learn normal,
Yeah.
but yeah, no, I feel like it should be. I think Manitoba was the only province to go into a lockdown.
Yeah. I mean, they had the
So-
worst numbers though, if I remember correctly.
Yeah, on a per capita basis, they had like some
Yeah.
very bad numbers.
Yeah. So.
What Throwbacks wants to learn. Yo, Throwbacks, couple book recommendations. First, Psychology of Money.
I would say yeah, go on our page too.
Oh yeah, fuck, I gotta update that shit. Got some new books for that. But yeah, no, yeah, you're right. Go on the page. Shan's right. Go on the page. What Obama's book?
Ooh, GLD tank. Woo.
But yeah,
Should
yo,
add more.
on GLD, yeah, gold's tanking right now. I feel like it's gonna be in a range though. I don't feel like it's gonna go down too much or up too high.
Oh yeah, I mean, yeah. See, I was presented an opportunity this morning, and I should have shorted at least half of my original position or double down since the risk was less now. But yeah, it's nice. Oh, that's a sharp drop. Yeah, frick. Knew it. Is that a dollar move? Almost.
I do feel like next week might be a drop, but
Sense.
we'll see how that goes.
Sense.
On Nasdaq, damn, that did fucking drop huge.
That dropped too. Yeah, clean up, clean down.
Yo, I'm not gonna lie, I completely forgot about our books page on the website. I'm gonna have to update that.
All good,
Yeah,
man. You've been busy reading, which
is better. But
like honestly, all the books that like Mucker recommends, like I definitely do want to.
dude, I saw the
Sorry.
fifth discipline on the site.
Yeah,
I don't or like on one of their videos.
yeah,
Did they mention that in one of the videos?
yeah.
talk
They did
about?
the fifth discipline. I think one of the readers or one of the subscribers sent it to them.
Damn, and how did they talk about it?
A little bit, yeah, a little bit.
Yeah,
It's like about it's almost like kind of their. It's written in 1990s, and it's kind of what they do. Like they look at everything and see how it's interconnected.
Yeah,
It's like kind of that approach. But yeah, no, he reads a book every 10 days.
that's pretty good, man. I want to get to that habit. Some days
Yeah.
I'm good. I get through like fucking 50 to 100 pages in one sitting, and then the rest of the days I'm just like.
Well, I mean,
Never
it's crazy,
consistent.
especially like, dude, like he's a busy person too, you know?
Yeah,
he has
but
like a whole investment research firm to run, and
But-
he can still crush like 10 a book every 10 days is insane.
yeah, well, 10 days. If okay, let's say like using mine in an hour and a half, read like 100 pages. 10 days is quite a bit. Like even if you do like 30 minutes to an hour, read like 50 pages. That's 10 days, 500 pages. Pretty good. You know what I mean? That's a book
50
right there.
pages a day takes about an hour.
Me, I'm a fast reader. I don't know how fast they read, but like when you start reading and reading more, then you start reading faster and faster too, right? Kind of like you've seen those like reading studies online where it shows
Do you take notes when you read?
no, I actually bookmark the pages and go back to them. So I kind of like fold the
Okay.
corner of the page and go back to them.
Oh,
And then if I
gotcha.
want to reread it, then I just reread it. I did that in trading psychology, and I did that in psychology of money. I have a few
Yeah, I
quotes in there.
remember trading psychology. I made like a Word document for that.
Well, yeah, he recommended to do that too for trading psychology.
Yeah, that's dope.
But no, I feel like if you make time for it, it's possible. If he
Oh
if,
yeah.
if this guy's busy as fuck reading a book every 10 days, then what's your
I
excuse,
just think
man?
for me, anyways, the hardest thing is when it's a technical book. Like,
Yeah,
I don't know how you read that quickly.
that part I'll agree with. If it's technical, like trading psychology or some
Yeah.
other thing like that, then it's tough for sure.
Agriculture. God dang agriculture, eh?
I added 3 books.
Nice.
Done with that. Yo, I'm making beef Wellington tonight. Fuck, I'll send you a picture. It's gonna be good.
Damn, do you already buy all the ingredients?
Yeah, my mom at her work gets beef tenderloin at Costco. It was like $150,
Yep.
but for like a foot. But my mom at her work gets it for at cost. I think it was $80 for 2 feet of beef tenderloin. So that's so sick.
$80 for
2 feet.
2 feet?
Yeah, and the one at Costco is about like 1 foot long, right? So, and it was like twice as much. So I'm like, damn, you get twice as much as me for half the price at her work. That's sick.
Oh, buddy, that's insane.
I'll send you a picture though. That shit will be good.
Sure. Wow.
Damn, this
What?
guy went 250 lot on gold. Holy shit.
Who, Ted?
Yeah. 250 lot. God damn.
Wow. Did he just short that now? No.
This
That was
week, I guess it was
before.
earlier in the week or
On Saturday afternoon, 25-year-old Norma Nemox was being dropped off by her sister. That's when she first noticed a man standing in this window on the second floor. I'm going up the steps in my apartment, and then I see this dude with a chainsaw. I'm like, who the hell he think he is, Leatherface? And he looks at me and he says, I was gone. He didn't
Yeah,
realize
I'm
that he
gonna
had
go
been
make
shot,
some
so
coffee.
he's
I'll be right
chasing me
back.
around the parking lot.
What was that? You gonna make coffee?
Yeah.
Alright, sounds good. I'll send you this video. It's fucking hilarious.
And as we're going around the parking lot, I'm trying to get a clear shot at him. And then I think by that time he realized that he was hit, so he took off running. That man, 41-year-old Daniel Stewart, left the complex after the incident. The woman says he'd gone back when police were there, and that's when they arrested him. In an interview with LPD, Stewart claimed that black people had been stealing from him, and that, quote, she was guilty because she was black. My neighbors knew he was crazy as bad shit too, because they said that all day in his apartment he'd been revving up that chainsaw talking about people stealing from him. Yvonne says she's contacted her landlords, but they haven't said if he will be allowed to return. She says it's no longer just a safety issue for her and her 5-year-old son, but for the whole complex. I guess when he saw me, he figured I was a soft target. Oh, no, not today. I pulled my gun and put that hot lead up and put some on his mind that day. He ain't gonna be trying to live out his Leatherface Texas Chainsaw Massacre fantasies over here. Cited and launched in the Lancaster County Jail tonight with terroristic threats as a hate crime, which is a felony. They better keep his ass in jail because he come back out here. This gonna be a horror movie nightmare for his ass. He don't want to come back around here playing with me.
Oh man, that's fucked up. That's fucked up. It's a funny video. I think I'm gonna end the stream. I'll chat's gone. Thanks, throwbacks, tuning in. Thanks, everybody, for tuning in. Hope everyone has a good weekend. It was a good week. Tough Friday. Last gold trade paid off. It is what it is. Actually, you know what? Let me take a picture of that. Post it on Instagram. What did that happen? Oh, wrong one. Post it on the story. All right, that's on Instagram. 2 losses, 1 win is what it is. Actually, I want to end on a good note. That was it right there. Hope everybody has a great weekend. Stay safe. Don't catch COVID. Relax and, enjoy the weekend. Have a good one.